Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set up ManyChat on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for ManyChat. We will be going to ManyChat website, which is manychat.com. So now to set up your ManyChat on Instagram, what we're going to do is to set up first your account on ManyChat. So now right here on their website, we can see that with the use of ManyChat, we will be able to automate our messages on Instagram. Now just tap on Get Started. So now we will be basically signing up for an account here in ManyChat. Now select Instagram. So now we need to continue with our Facebook account. So just tap on that, continue with Facebook. And then after that, there's a question right here about your business. For example, what type of company do you work for? Or what type of business you do? And then what is your role? And what size is your organization? For example, if it's small, medium, or enterprise. And then just tap on Next. But for example, if you select solopreneur, then what you're going to do is just to tap on Next. And then right here you can see Connect Instagram. So what we're going to do is to go to Facebook. And then what we're going to do is to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page. So now all you need to do is to go to Facebook. And then now as we can see right here, we need first to connect our Facebook page to our Instagram account. So that is how you can set up ManyChat on Instagram. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.